Below is this remote RGBW function. Receivers have set as RGBW type through deep switch. RGB off, RGB on. Coloring for RGB. Long press brightness to gradually dim down RGB channel. Long press brightness plus to dim up RGB channel. RGB mode key. There are total 8 dynamic modes. Long press speed to speed down the changing. Long press speed plus to speed up the changing. Off the RGB channel. Press W to on off W channel. C key for W channel dimming. Short press for 1050-100 quickly dimming. Long press for W channel gradually dimming. Press again for reverse dimming. With excellent wireless sync control function, multi-pieces receivers could be controlled at the same time.